Yay! Let's go get something to eat.
Oh, this one's good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
I bet it's going to be good, don't you? Let's find out.
What's in here?
Okay, that's a...
Oh, see, yes, ma'am?
Go ahead and open it. It's an Italian sandwich I ordered for me.
Italian?
Oh, look at that.
What the what?
That look good?
The banana pepper is hanging off. I'm just gonna slightly take that.
Oh, you going to take it because it was hanging out the bun. I'll teach you for hanging out the bun, huh? Whoops. First view of the Italian...
Pickle.
You better get your little hands off of my sandwich before we fight. Let's go ahead and look at your pizza.
Not a pickle. Not a pickle.
Ooh.
It looks good.
This is pepperoni and bacon. And this is
Mushroom.
pepperoni and mushroom. And you get first piece because why?
Because my girl card.
You got a girl card that gives you rights to first servings, huh? How about you? Let's see it again. It also helps what?
It also helps to skip line.
Oh, it helps you skip
Only works
line.
in the family, though.
Only works at home.
Yeah, apparently it
Well,
only works in the family. Who knew?
Fresh from Domino's to our door. Let's go ahead and taste this. All right, Brachelle, tell us what you think. What's your first thought?
Okay. You know when people lie to you about the pizza on the picture?
Mm-hmm.
It has half of that pizza.
So
And it's really hot.
it's really hot. We just got it. So you're saying it has enough toppings or not enough where it has more on the picture?
What I'm saying is, you know that picture where they pull it up and it's all cheesy?
Mm-hmm.
It's basically like that,
Oh, yeah.
except with not enough cheese.
Okay, so we could have added a little bit more cheese to it.
Yeah.
Besides that, is it delicious?
Yeah.
You want one more piece before you go up?
Yes.
Okay, then you can go up and teach your brother and sister and say, it's time for pizza and I already got mine. Okay?
Alright, okay.
I tell everybody bye and you can go tell your brother and sisters.
Bye.
What do you smell? The deliciousness?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, open up what you got.
Pizza.
Or, which one you want? A little of each? That's got mushrooms and this one's got bacon.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you. Is that it? That's all you want? Alright, you want to take a bite and tell me how you like it, if it's worth buying again? What's your review? Alright, yes or no for you?
Yeah, yeah. I like it. I'm going.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, tell your sister she don't come down here. I'm gonna eat it all.
Okay.
Love you.
Okay.
Alright, Courtney finally showed up for pizza. I have two. Pepperoni mushrooms, pepperoni bacon. Take what you want and then you're going to let us know how you like it. Okay. And you can get more, by the way. Everybody else has already got theirs.
It's not my thing.
Oh, it's not cut very well, huh?
Bad review.
Brachelle's was like that. I had to pull hers apart.
Is this for me too? Oh no, they were with me. Okay.
All right.
Oh.
No, that's my sandwich.
Now
Is that
what?
for you too?
Oh, do I try it right now?
Yeah. How much you want to tell us? It was probably better when it was hot.
It means ranch dressing. Oh, we don't have ranch dressing.
Oh, we do not.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good? So this is Domino's. You order Domino's again, or do you prefer Papa John's or somewhere else?
I don't know.
Just comparison.
My favorite is Little Caesars, so I'm weird taste buds.
Oh, okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
No.
All right, you want another piece? I bought 2 mediums, and this is what I have left after 3 kids. The 2 mediums were a pretty good size because y'all all got at least 3 pieces each. Mark came back for seconds.
I need a drink.
All right, thanks for helping me out.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I've got these kids fed, and now it's my turn to sink my teeth into mine. And this is the Domino's Italian sandwich. It has on it pepperoni, spicy, salami, ham, bananas, and green peppers. Ooh, and I heated it back up, and it is hot. It does look good. It's the pepperoni, the ham, the salami. Oh, it's got some good cheese on there. I'm really picky about my sandwiches, and I haven't had Domino's sandwich yet, so I hope this is good, because that'll be my new go-to. And it was only $5.99, which is a pretty good price. I think this is about a 9-inch sandwich. I want to see how I like it. Okay. I'm gonna say this. What you need?
Another slice of pizza?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You want to try the mushrooms this time?
Sure.
So would you had 3 pieces?
Yeah.
Now you getting another one?
Yeah.
Good.
Actually, I only have 2 more.
You eat one more, and if you eat it, then you come back down and get another.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Close the box. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, that first bite, I did heat it back up like I said. At first bite, the bread kind of didn't want to. It's kind of rubbery. Didn't want to tear off. Still tastes good though. So, take another bite. Inside definitely soft. I like it. But the one thing I want to do, because I just can't be normal, I'm going to add mayonnaise. It is kind of dry because it doesn't have sauce on it. It has the good cheeses. The meats are baked really good. But I need some mayonnaise. So, I'll put me some mayonnaise on my bread. And I'm probably putting too much, but I like mayonnaise. So, here we go. Mayonnaise. Now, if I wasn't doing this review and I really wanted to soup it up a little bit, I'd probably put some more onions, just because I really like onions and I think they have really good healing properties for your body. I like to eat onions. I would add some pickles, maybe a little lettuce and tomato. But I want to taste their sandwich for what their sandwich is. Now, I know saying that I just added mayonnaise, so it's not for what it really is, but gotta have the mayonnaise. Do all that other stuff later. Now, add a mayonnaise. Let me taste this sandwich again. Excuse me. I don't want to sit and eat in front of you guys, because I know you don't want to sit and watch me scarf this whole sandwich down. So I guess I'll go ahead and end it and then enjoy what I have here. Only thing I could recommend is adding some mayonnaise. And my review for the Domino's is thumbs up. Go get you a Domino's for $5.99. And you know, they also have other sandwiches. You don't have to get the Italian. Italian's one of my favorites. But they have Italian sausage and peppers, Philly cheesesteak, chicken parm sandwich, buffalo chicken sandwich, Italian sandwich, the chicken habanero sandwich. That sounds good. And the Mediterranean veggie sandwich. So a large variety to choose from, $5.99. So go pick you one up. I recommend them. They are good. I am surprised. See y'all next time. Hey guys, I know you didn't think you was gonna get rid of me that easy. My daughter came down and said, but you have to tell them how the pizza was. So I guess since I made them give a review, they want me to give a review too. So I heated me up 2 slices, 1 of each. And I'm going to tell you how I like the pizza. So there's the one with the mushrooms on it. Good. This is a hand-tossed crust. I think it's probably a little thinner than what I'm used to for a hand-tossed crust, but I don't care. It's good. And then the bacon. I actually took some of the bacon off from the other pizzas that had fell in the box. So there's plenty of bacon. They could have used more mushrooms for the mushroom toppings, but I'm not complain about that either. Bacon pizza. Mmm. Hot and cheesy. I like it. It's good. Way better than Pizza Hut. So. It's good. I'm glad she came back down and told me I needed to do my opinion on the pizza, because I probably wouldn't have even eaten any tonight. It's really good. The pizza was good. I actually got the $5.99 deal, and I got 3 items. I got 2 medium pizzas, both 2 toppings each, and I got my sandwich, and it came to a total of $22.97 with tax. I gave a $3.53 tip for a total of $26.50. That's not bad for 2 medium pizzas and a sandwich, and it was good, and I'm satisfied, and everybody's happy and has got plenty to eat. I recommend Domino's. Go get you some. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, after I ordered, they sent me a coupon to my email that I can use next week to get a free medium pizza if I have another purchase. So if I want to go in and purchase another pizza, I can add that coupon and get a free pizza too. So, yay! Might do that. I don't usually order a lot of pizza and stuff, maybe once a month. But since you're going to give me a free pizza, you know, your strategy might have just worked on me. Thanks, Domino's. See y'all later. Let me know if you went and got some of this pizza or sandwiches. Bye.